Hey everybody, we've got a fully finished bungalow with a walkout basement and over 150 feet of frontage on 20 Mile Creek. My name's David Hildebrand of the Wayne Skillser team from Remax Escarpment, and this is 280 West Street, Smithville. This property is situated just a stone's throw away from the West Lincoln Community Center, which includes a gymnasium, arena, splash pad, skate park, and more. This huge deck allows you to enjoy nature every day in your backyard. Best part about this property is that it's located within walking distance to downtown Smithville. If you're interested in booking a private viewing to call this place home, you can call or text me at 905-353-5149.